Refusing to come in front of the camera, Hafiz Mohammad Saeed was not shy of criticizing the United Nations for linking Jamaat-ud-Dawa with banned organization Lashkar-e-Taiba.
इंडिया ट्यूसडे को वो गया है और वहाँ जाकर उसने सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में पाबंदियों की दरख्वास्त दी है और सिर्फ एक दिन के बाद सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल ने पाबंदियाँ आयद कर दी हैं। इसका मतलब ये है कि उनके पास ना कोई सबूत है, ना इसके ऊपर कोई बहस है।
Saeed termed the UN accusations hasty and mere propaganda to spoil Pakistan's reputation.
Hafiz Mohammad Saeed said that his organization had connections with Lashkar-e-Taiba till 2001, before the Lashkar-e-Taiba was banned by the Pakistani government. But after 2001, they had no connections with Lashkar-e-Taiba, and said that all they did was in the past was supported Lashkar-e-Taiba because of its stance regarding the Kashmir issue.
Hafiz admits he morally supports the freedom struggle in Kashmir, but has always condemned terrorist acts across the world, including the recent incident in Mumbai. He is ready to approach the courts in Pakistan if solid proof is provided against Jamaat-ud-Dawa. He claims that the government has not yet approached him in this regards. Political figures in the country have condemned the United Nations Security Council declaration and refused to accept any actions against a charity organization.
Yes, this is not only hasty, but this is intended to corner Pakistan and the Pakistani citizens. And this is unjustified that the Pakistani citizens, without any legal procedures, they are subjected to such injustices.
India's constant accusation of plotting Mumbai attacks from Pakistani soil has widely been criticized by the Pakistanis.
पाकिस्तान पे इल्ज़ाम लगाया इंडिया ने बगैर किसी सबूत के, और उधर से अमेरिका भी उसका साथ दे रहा है।
ये कि वो उनसे प्रूफ मांगे, अगर प्रूफ देते हैं, प्रूफ अगर है ऐसा मसला, तो फिर हमारी अदालत हैं, हमारे कानून हैं जो उसके मुताबिक वो सज़ा दें।
Hafiz Mohammad Saeed says Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a respectable organization which has always provided relief across the country in case of any calamities. It is also supporting hundreds of health and educational institutions, and the ban will result in sufferings of those benefiting from Jamaat-ud-Dawa's noble cause. Daniel Hassan, Dawn News, Lahore.